Hi everybody, I'm Alison O'Reilly and I'm involved in the Stay With Me art show. I'm coming on here to talk to you now about our beautiful show that's coming up at 8 o'clock tonight, right here on the Remembering the Tune Babies Facebook page. We'll also be streaming on the Stay With Me art show YouTube channel, and you'll be able to check us out on Stay With Me Art on Instagram as well as Stay With Me on Twitter. Now we have two-part series coming up for you. We have stories from campaigners as well as first-hand testimony from people who were in the mother and baby homes. But most importantly, we have beautiful art for you. Now the Stay With Me art show was inspired by the story of the Tune Babies, and it's absolutely stunning in its physical form. But what's happened with the pandemic means that we want to bring the show to you in its virtual form, and we hope to be able to bring you a few physical shows around the country when this lockdown is over. So we just hope that you'll join us this evening. As I said, we have lots of new art, this piece included, and you'll be able to leave comments and any suggestions that you have about the show. I want to say thank you to all of the artists who are contributing to tonight's show, because without their art, of course, we can't have this beautiful show. The show is about healing. We don't speak for anybody. We're not representing anyone. It's about art and healing, and it does play a huge role when there have been people traumatized in terrible situations. So we hope that you'll join us tonight, 8 o'clock, right here on the Remembering the Tune Babies Facebook page. We'll also be on the Stay With Me YouTube art channel. We'll be on Instagram Stay With Me Art and Twitter Stay With Me Art. Leave your comments. Please, please, please watch the show. It's absolutely gorgeous, and feel free to contribute. Thanks for watching. See you later.